What's going on, buddy? Shiba Inu absolutely going insane, 114% and millions coming into it. I want to talk about in this video and why you need to be looking at Shiba Inu and what is going on. If that's something you like and you're in the SHIB army, do me a favor, hit that like button. It sends it out. The more likes we get, the more people hear about Shiba Inu and the more potential we have in this market. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. We talk about cryptocurrency every single day, and turn the notification bell on so you know when we go live or upload a new daily crypto video. Now, with that being said, let's jump straight into this one. And SHIB right now, $13.99, about to touch into the 14s, a real strong level of support actually, the 14.12, 7.12% up on the day. Now, we have seen RSI did go massively overbought when we saw this big pump. You can see it dropped all the way back down. RSI at 56.02 feels pretty good. The money flow index showing a bit of money coming out of Shiba Inu, but look, still around that 7% up on the day. The total market doing okay, but SHIB absolutely bucking a trend. This 14.12 line is one where we're going to need to break through, and I think if we break through that, we are on our way up, potentially knocking on the doors of the twos over the course of the next week if we keep the sentiment in the market. Now, what is going on that's kind of driving this price? Well, there's a couple of things I want to bring to you and things you need to be aware of if either you're invested in SHIB or you're thinking about making a position. Now, Shiba Eternity launch, William Volt noted it will come out probably in September for other regions, and we'll have a downloaded date where we intend to get the SHIB army to all download it. So again, I did check William Volt's Twitter. We can't guarantee or confirm this 100%. Now, we know that they increased the capacity 50x in order to trial this over in Vietnam, and it's been really well received both from an investor perspective and a game perspective. We know William Volt currently is out at Gamescom making a player in terms of Shiba Eternity, so we're definitely going to see this move, and I think it's the right thing to get it into some more of those markets around the world. Now, equally, what have we got? Well, we've seen this. We talked about this the other day, actually. SHIB jumps 9% as token burn intensifies. So more and more tokens, more and more SHIB is being burned, which is driving the price up. A lot of people get confused about this. And if we are burning tokens and removing them from the chain, it will naturally drive the price up. Now, it's not going to burn a zero all of a sudden because we're doing it. But this, you've got to think long-term play. You think of everything that SHIB's bringing, utility, the game, Shibarium layer 2 solution, all that kind of stuff does then make sense for this burn mechanism. It says, while a broader cryptocurrency market stages recovery after last week's sell-off, meme coin Shiba Inu has risen over 9% today and recorded a weekly high. SHIB, the 12th largest cryptocurrency, has a market capitalization of 8.01 billion and currently trades around that 401,439. So we have seen it pull back a little bit, and it is now starting to move on its way up. Said SHIB's upward price action is primarily the result of a spike in the token's burn rate earlier this week and expectations around the launch of Shibarium, a layer 2 blockchain to be launched by Shiba Inu. This is huge, and I think people underestimate the insane potential of Shibarium, and equally then this bone ecosystem that's going to start to fall in it. So you can see here the price of SHIB. It says on the August 25th, 145,661 users interacted with ShibaSwap, an all-time high for the metric. Trading volumes are also up 61% over the past 24 hours. A weekly note, SHIB is down by a meager 1.68% after today's bullish price movement. Why is that important? Well, look, people are going to be using ShibaSwap. You can earn, you can use wolfable pairs where you can stake, and it's a great system. Imagine the Shibarium layer 2 solution. You're not going to be paying those insane gas fees, or certainly when the markets recover, you're not going to be paying them. So there's just tons coming. Equally, Shiba Inu surges. A mysterious whale buys 52 billion SHIB in one transaction. Now, I'm not going to go too much into this article. It speaks for itself, but I talked about this in yesterday's video where Shiba Inu is driven by positive sentiment. It's driven by news that's saying it's a good thing. There is tons coming in the ecosystem that have been talked about for a long period of time. But when you see articles like this, and when you hear news stories of people buying significant numbers of SHIB and the potential, and then the price starts to move, this is where Shiba Inu absolutely sits in its own versus any other small cap community token out there. I mean, you can't really call it small cap anymore, but whales are holding a significant amount of SHIB. Why? Because they know, or they think they know, that the price is going to significantly move over the course of the coming 6 to 12 months. Now, we know we're in a really tough market. We are trying desperately to get out of this bear market, and when we see moves like 7% on SHIB like we're seeing today, people get excited. People think we're coming out of this market. There's still a bit to go, but certainly this is the power of community, and this is equally why people are moving into SHIB. There is so much coming for SHIB ahead of other projects that will be landing and make a significant difference to both the users of Shiba Inu and the investors. So lots of positive news sentiments, huge amounts of buys coming in for SHIB. We're seeing insane in terms of price, 7%. Like I said, this 1412 is the next test. We've got to try and break through that. RSI looks like it's ready to allow us that. But look, 1412, and then we could be on our way up to the 2s. But let me know in the comments down below what you think. How much SHIB are you holding? Don't forget to hit that like button to send this one up. Let's go for 500 likes on this video. You guys have been crushing it recently with all the support, and I will see you guys in the next video.